So hello everyone, welcome back to my new blog. So this is my first blog in my English channel. So guys, I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, why I am make this blog? Because I want to create my own journey and I want to learn something new every day by my blog. So that's why I make my blog. So if I do any mistake in this blog, so you can correct me. So guys, as you know, my name is Preeti and today I make my first vlog. So now I'm ready to going market. So now I'm go to market for some work and uh, shopping, like grocery shopping and all things which I need to buy. So now I am going to, and let's see when will I reach to market. So be continue in my blog. So guys, now I'm on the road because now I have to go 1.5 kilometer away from here. So then I take a auto rickshaw, then I will reach to market. So now I'm wear mask because uh, whenever I'm go to market, so usually I wear mask. So I'm little bit nervous front of other because I'm not do any vlog in English. So let's go. Now I'm in e-rickshaw. So I have to go ahead some half kilometer because I have lot of work to do there. So you can see the rush here in the market. So yeah, this is Vikas Nagar market in Uttarakhand, which is located in Dehradun district. So you can see. So guys, now I have to buy a highlighter pen which is here. So I need a highlighter. So let's see what will I. This is a pen which I have to buy. So this is a highlighter pen which is I need to my study. So now I'm going to some other another shop because I have some another work. So let's go move ahead. Now I am reached at the fortune shops, which is I have to buy some grocery. So let's go and let's see which things I buy from the fortune shop. So then I'll have some another work and then I'll go to my home. Now I'll buy some vegetable for us. So you can see the variety of vegetable. So guys, now I have to eat one tikki. So you can see uncle is making one tikki. So this is my one of the last work, what can I say, in markets. Then I'll go to back home. So guys, now I have done my all work which is in my in market. So now I am at home. So now I have to change because nowadays is very hot weather. So that's why feel like humidity. So that's all for today. So guys, this is my first blog in English because uh, I did lot of blog my another channel too, because I have another channel mm, which is I upload my daily life blogs, but I thought I should make my English blog because I am in the my English journey process. So I think if I don't do any practice, so if I do daily blog, like whenever I have a time, so I can make blog. So that time, mm that's why I make blog. So guys, that's all for today. If I do any mistake, so you can correct me because I am a learner, not a professional in this language. So that's all for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.